Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jawal Nadeem, and welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Forexdost.com. Today I'm going to show you something very different which is going to change your life about trading. You know, we guys are trading on a normal basis, but today's project is entirely different. It's about some bots, some intelligence, some artificial intelligence, which is going to help you a lot. What you would have to do is to just, spend some money, stay at home, keep watching, and you can earn a very good amount. Today's product which I'm going to share with you guys is warriorprime.com. You can visit the website. You can see there's a bot, and it's about advanced artificial intelligence software that's going to help you a lot to make money. So, the most important thing nowadays is about the price. You would have to only pay $199 a month to get this report, and what you have to do is just submit some amount, invest some amount, keep waiting, and let the else leave on the report. Okay, so I already have purchased this report. If you want to buy this report, what you'll have to do is to buy from our given link that's in the description. For that, we are just going to help you a lot, and if you're not gonna buy with our link, then you'll have to help yourself. What we can do for you, we can just help you out a lot in the support team. We can let you know how to set up the software, we can let you know how to manage that, and we can let you know how to take the withdrawals on the right time. So right now I'm just going to show you an account which I just started. I'm just going to show you the detailed history of my account. That's the real account, and we can also provide you in our Telegram channel, that's a Warrior Prime community. And as you can see some history, this account was started on 30th of March, and you can say I have deposited $9,800. Right now, if I'm going to show you, that's the whole thing. You can see I have just taken the withdrawal of $5,697. Whether you can see my total profit is $4,552. Whether my total deposit is $11,374. Let me show you this history in details. For example, if I'm gonna show it in a custom period, for example, I'm just gonna let it for 3 days. What I can show you in the last 3 days, it's gonna upload, and just hold a second. It won't take more long time, but yeah, you can see right now in the last 3 days, we have just withdrawn $400, while we just win $181, whether our floating profit is $280. Okay, and let me show you for last a month, then I'll just explain it. But what you would have to do is to simply go into my just wait a second. Yes, here you can see that's 1 month's report, and in that month I have a draw 4,036, and my total profit in last month was $1,516 US, and last month the floating profit was 1,145. So this is all about my software. What you will have to do is to go in the description. You will be able to find my Telegram channel, that's a Warrior Prime community, and you can ask a lot of things in that. I'm going to help you a lot about any of your problems. And second thing, that if you're going to join from our link, I'm going to help you a lot. I also can just gift you my username password, trading username password, or investor username password of this account, and you can check it yourself on your own computer screens. So let me give you about the all history again, a quick review, and that's it. I think you just enjoyed it a lot, and just don't waste your time, because because of Corona we are at home and we're doing nothing, we are stuck with something, and I would suggest you to join me once. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy trading. Okay, here you can see I have just withdrawn 5,697, whether my total profit is 4,552, and total deposit was 11,374. So that's it for today. Have a nice day, enjoy a lot, and don't forget me. Take care, bye. See you soon, guys.